The Tobago House of Assembly is accustomed to court close, says the Chief Secretary, while he was responding to statements made by Attorney General Anand Ramlogan in the Senate on Wednesday night that Finance Minister Larry Howai had been requested to initiate legal action against the THA and himself in relation to the bold arrangement for the MILSHIRV office complex, contrary to Section 51 of the THA Act. Details in this report. Chief Secretary Orville London has said that there was nothing new in the Assembly being taken to court in a dispute between the central government and itself. He added that it is not the first time the Tobago House of Assembly would be taken to court by the central government.
And it's very interesting to note, despite all the hullabaloo, one will get the impression that this is the first time that the Tobago House of Assembly has been taken to court by the central government or vice versa. I got my people to start doing some research, just to start. And there have been at least 4 occasions where either the Assembly has taken the central government to court or the central government has taken the Assembly to court.
He said, in a relationship between the THA and the central government, there will be issues where there was going to be disagreement. He continued that the Assembly will be prepared for this round of lawsuit by the central government. The Chief Secretary said the difference between what transpired on those 5 occasions when the THA and the central government went to court and what is transpiring now was that the focus was on the issue and not on politicizing or slandering.
But to have a situation where at the beginning of a process, before any evidence is put forward, where you have a disagreement between the central government and the Tobago House of Assembly about either the powers of the Tobago House of Assembly or the control of the central government, something that has happened on a number of occasions in the past, and to allow that to create an environment where people's characters are being sullied in this manner, I think that is very unfortunate.
London said the Assembly will continue to do what it has to do within the parameters of the law for the development of Tobago. He said whenever the Assembly makes decisions, it always consults with its senior legal advisor, Alvin Pascal, who in turn would also be advised by senior counsel and his colleagues when he believed that he had an issue in which he needed additional information. He said a legal opinion obtained from Hamel Smith attorneys at law indicated that the bold arrangement was not contrary to Section 51 of the THA Act since it did not involve borrowing.